who it is.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene County, northeastern Hart County, northwestern Taylor County until 7:30 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 6:43 p.m. or 5:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Munfordville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Floyd, Bengal, Hudgens, Lobb, Mack, Pikeview, Jonesville, Hinesdale, Allendale, and Rio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Greene, and Taylor.
That's not us.